Erin, Crist, thank you so much. This is fantastic. Thanks for coming to the trade show. Tell me, how long have you guys been in the tire industry?
So we started our first store in 2019, right as we were going into COVID. And we took over a store that was, it had been a store, but it was kind of going out of business. So we took over in 2019.
What's the name of your business?
Elite Tire.
Fantastic. And how many locations, how many bays?
So now we have 2 locations up and running. We have another location bought. We're working on opening it. But currently we have in our starting locations, our first store, we have 5 bays. And our second location, we have 11 bays.
So wow, very nice. And do you feel like, what's your tire and service mix?
I would say it's about 50-50.
Yeah, maybe a little bit more tires than service work.
Yeah. What are the trends looking like for you right now?
So I would say like last year, it's really like in this industry, as you know, like last year we had a very strong January. This year it's kind of been up and down, and the weather's very different this year compared to what it was last year.
For sure.
So I think we're going to have a strong year, but right now it's kind of opened up real flat for us.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there's still plenty of time to grow. Oh, yes, sir. For sure. Absolutely.
I think lots of growth. I think there's a big change from going to big box stores to family-owned businesses, and I think we see that all around in all different areas. So we're excited to be in that market and in this industry.
Fantastic. And when did you begin your relationship with K&M Tire?
I would say right at the beginning. We were looking for a specific brand of tire, and they had it. And we didn't know much about K&M, but as we grew and we went to the trade show, and
5 years ago when
it was 2020.
Just before.
Yeah.
About 30 days, I want to say, before really.
Yeah.
I'll say really early on when I met Tom Bellinati, I'm probably butchering his last name, but early on meeting him, I knew that the way that he conducted himself, the way that he presented his offer to us, I had a good feeling about it. But when we came to K&M conference 5 years ago here, hearing the founder speak, it really showed where Tom got that from. And I think it comes from the top down, and just listening to him. I don't remember the specifics, but I remember how it made me feel. And the way that he talked about his employees is exactly what we try to provide for our employees. So there's a good connection there. And I feel very comfortable.
I would also say there's different trade shows and different opportunities you can go to. A lot of them you can't bring your whole family. And here, they're a family business, and they allow that. Now, we did bring a babysitter with us to help with the kids so that we can truly enjoy the show.
Sure.
But most of our owners all have very young children, and they're here with their wives and significant others and their babies.
And you totally see it on the floor. It really is fantastic.
And family business.
And what sorts of benefits do you feel like has K&M brought to your business as part of being a partner with them?
Well, one, the Big Free program, they offer all those rebates. On top of that, they have a cart. So nowadays, tires are very expensive. So by us being able to offer a financing option for our customers, it helps a lot. And then just, these trade shows, coming and seeing what's new, what's out in the market that we may not know had we not, come here. And I remember the first year we were here, we were interviewing with so many software companies. We were looking for software companies. And by being able to come here and really see what's out there helped us make a decision on the software that we ultimately chose for our system.
I would say another thing about K&M is they invest in technology. There's very few family-owned distributors in our industry, and they have the best portal. Like, our accounting team loves K&M.
Oh, that's great.
They're on top of it, the way we can pull our invoices and all that, and that saves us money and time. So we appreciate that they've made that investment in an industry that's not very technology savvy.
So, final question for you. What are you focusing on as far as trying to grow your business?
Scaling. We're going from thriving to scaling. That's our theme. Last year, our theme was going from surviving to thriving. Now we're going for thriving, scaling. So we're building systems, process.
Very, very cool. Yeah, I would say that's it right there. Scaling, building processes, tires. Kind of like K&M has. Like, when you order a tire, you can count on that it's going to be there. And that's important to us because that's how we provide service to our customers, by you guys providing service to us, by K&M providing service to us. And by us building those processes in our business will now allow that to happen for our customers. Fantastic. Yeah.
Well, Erin, Chris, thank you so much. This has been fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank
awesome.
you.
Thanks for having us.